Names are something we encounter on a daily basis. We have it. Everybody has it. It's something so simple that it would never even cross our minds that something with names can be used to earn a profit. Confused? Let me explain further. What if I were to tell you that you can earn a lot of money just by sitting down and typing names? Any name. You don't even have to be on a computer or on a laptop. Just as long as you'd be able to type and do it fast, you can earn money by typing names. Imagine just being able to sit down and think of a name like Felix or Christopher, and then you can earn money. Wow, so amazing, right? Do you still think it's a bit too unbelievable? Then stay and watch the whole video and I'll show you just how much you can make by just typing down names, and I'll teach you exactly step by step how to do it too. There's no selling, obligated referrals, MLM, or affiliate marketing or any kind. You don't even need to invest. All it needs is a little bit of your time, that's it. No matter which country you're from, whether you're coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else, we hope this video will help you out in making some income with little effort. So follow our instructions step by step and you'll learn how to do it. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money just by typing down names. In this website, you will know exactly how much money you'll be able to make because they're completely transparent with the website's Calculate, wherein they will show you a calculation of how much potential earnings you can get per page of the names that you type. The best part about this website is that you can keep doing this method repeatedly for as many times as you want, so you can keep earning money for as much as you want. Isn't that great? You can do this technique non-stop, so the more you do it, the more money you'll be able to earn. And of course, this is just a low-effort job that requires you zero investments to start. It's totally 100% free and legitimate, and you can start anytime you want. Make sure to follow closely every single step of the way in this video so that I can teach you how you can get started in this job. With projects like this, you can earn up to $15 per page or per 300 words that you type, and you can get up to 20 of these projects. That's a huge profit. You make up to $300 per day with just a simple task. But before we can get you started on the job, I'm going to need you to do something first, a typing test. If you're not familiar with typing tests, it's something that will prove how good you are at typing. The better your results are, the more likely that you'll be able to land more opportunities that will lead you to earn more money. So of course, you're gonna need to prove that you're good at typing. First, go to Ratatype.com. And here, we'll be taking a typing test just to see how accurate and how fast you are at typing. At the best, you should aim for a score of above 95%, just so you'll be able to prove just how good you are at typing, which will show how effective and efficient you will be at the job. You have to create a free account first. Inputting your name, email address, and your own unique password. Click the Sign Up button once you finish filling out the form. Once you get to the site, click on the yellow button and says Start Typing Now, and you will begin your typing test. You'll be directed to a page where you can begin typing either with a phone or with a keyboard. Words will pop up on the screen, and all you have to do is type the fastest and the most accurate you can. When you do this, you'll be able to earn a certificate from Radatype.com showing your typing skill. You can get the certificate for absolutely free, and you can even keep trying again and again to get a higher score so you can keep practicing until you reach a higher percentage of accuracy and speed. That way, you'll be able to earn more money even if you're a complete beginner. Do it! Once you finish the test and you're satisfied with your score, you can see on your profile that they give you a certificate for your test. It shows the words per minute result as well as the accuracy percentage, alongside the Radatype certification to prove its legitimacy. If you want to save your certificate, you can go ahead and click Print and save it as a PDF. Once you're done with that, let's go to the website where you'll start earning money through typing jobs that you will receive regularly. First, let's go to talentdesire.com, and you'll be scrolling at the very bottom where you'll see a bright red button that says Apply Now. It will redirect you to a page where we can start signing up for the job. But we're going to need your full attention in this step because it might be a little tricky and confusing if you don't watch intently. If you scroll down below, you will see step number 1, and underneath, you will see a sentence that says, Select an application form in red letters. Now you might get confused because it's not a button, but don't worry. If you click it, you will know that it's a link and it will direct you to where you need to be. You'll see a choice between offline and online applications, and of course, we have to choose the online applications for work-at-home typing jobs. Once again, you will click on the red letters, and its link will redirect you to the application form. You will be filling in the details to apply for the job. Scroll down below so that you'll be able to start doing it. Make sure to fill in every single important detail. You will know which ones those are based on the red asterisk beside it. First, click Accept on the privacy policy. Then, start filling in your first name, last name, email, contact number, country, zip code, preferred job title. You might be confused about what to put here, but don't worry, it's very simple. Just type online typing job. Next would be your preferred schedule. Although you can choose freely, it's best if you click all day so you can be given more opportunities the more you're readily available. Lastly, for the mode of payment, you can choose between PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, or Skrill. It's 100% no hassle. For your current profession status, it is up to you what your current profession is, but it's better if you click on freelancer or self-employed. Finally, click on the I have read and accept the above statement. Then write your full name on the signature box. Click on the reCAPTCHA button and submit your application. When you get accepted, you'll be able to receive typing projects that will give you a large amount of earnings with very little effort and no investment. Easy, right? On their page, you can even see the estimated earnings per article depending on your skill level. Beginners earn $3 per page. Professional level gives you $4.50 per page. And the expert level earns you $6 per page. But don't worry, the more your skill level rises, the higher the amount of money comes into your earning potential. Once again, you have found an easy source of income without needing to have fancy technology or a high-end computer. You can do it from the comfort of your own home or wherever you may be in the world. You can use your laptop, tablet, or even just a phone. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.